Introducing Vijayanmaster Ayurveda's Anti-Dandruff Kit, which includes Anti-Dandruff Oil, Nishagandhi Hair Care Oil, Hair Wash Powder, Anti-Dandruff Cleanser, Thick Root and Sunvit tea. To use the oil, mix equal amount of Nishagandhi Hair Care Oil and Anti-Dandruff Oil in a bowl. Dip your fingers in the oil and massage it in the scalp for 5 minutes in circular motion. You can either leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning or leave the oil for 2 to 3 hours before washing. Use the hair wash powder and anti-dandruff cleanser. To use hair wash powder, take 1 to 1.5 tablespoons in a bowl, add water and soak it for at least 4 to 6 hours. Make a paste and apply it to your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes and massage and wash it off. On alternate days, use the anti-dandruff cleanser like a regular shampoo. Massage it into your scalp and wash it thoroughly. Thick Root and Sunvit tea are given as internal supplements. Take 1 Thick Root tablet daily in the morning after food. The dosage for Sunvit tea will be prescribed based on your vitamin D deficiency level. For optimal results, continue these practices for 6 months to 1 year.